Hi everyone, this is Chilla with Moldex 3D. We have here today Brandon Birchmeyer from RJG presenting on the autonomous molding breakthrough case study. Brandon is a technical leader in the plastics and injection molding industry, specializing in scientific molding, sensor technology, and process optimization. He focuses on improving process consistency and reducing variation through data-driven methodologies and advanced process control and monitoring. Brandon holds a portfolio on patents reflecting his commitment to innovation and advancing manufacturing technology. He has extensive experience translating complex process data into practical, actionable insights that strengthen quality and performance. He's passionate about elevating technical standards and helping organizations make confident, evidence-based decisions.
Thank you, Cecile. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my webinar today, talking about the autonomous breakthrough case study. Like Cecile said, I am Brandon Birchmeyer. I'm a senior client solutions consultant for RJG, and we have a lot to go through today. Try to keep this entertaining for everyone. We have some exciting things coming down the pipe for RJG, and really that's what this is about. So let's get it started. About a year ago, actually, this article came out in May of last year, so not quite to the year point, but RJG had purchased the iMFLUX low constant pressure technology from Procter & Gamble, where actually I had come from as well, being a former Procter & Gamble employee in developing the iMFLUX technology. So pretty big advancement, kind of a big deal in the industry, and RJG has been doing a lot to take advantage of that new innovation, and then really helps to advance their own innovation as well. And that's really what we're going to be talking about today. And so first, a little background. Cavity pressure transducers are a big deal in the injection molding world. As an employee of RJG, I can say that with a lot of confidence. And we use our technology in many, many applications where cavity pressure provides some unique advantages, not only for monitoring your process, but also in process control. And today I'm going to really focus on process control, how a cavity pressure sensor impacts the constant pressure algorithms. And we'll be talking about process factor A and auto viscosity adjust today, and then how a cavity pressure sensor actually enhances those algorithms. So before we dive into that, let's talk about the low constant pressure molding overview, formerly known as iMFLUX. What it is, how it works, and how it's different from decoupled molding, and then how we can talk about the autonomous advantages of it. So the way the system works, and I'll get a little highlighter out here. So the system controls off plastic pressure, and traditionally that plastic pressure comes from a nozzle pressure sensor. So when we talk about plastic pressure in this presentation, it won't be the pressure I'm applying from, with my hydraulic oil. It will be actual plastic pressure as it's entering the mold. That is how the system is controlled.